I'm going to show you how I install these graphics, and you'll see I have my window cleaned already, and I've went ahead and put this on the window. I've measured it out, used a level to make sure it's where I want it, and I've went ahead and put some tape around it. That way you know it's in place. Now I'll show you the next step that I do, which I call the hinge method, and I think it's very great to do. I just take some tape, like some wide tape like this, and I go over the whole thing. So now I know that that's not going to move. I'm going to use this as a hinge, so let me show you. With this hinge in place, I'm going to go ahead and remove my tape on this right hand side of my decal, and even this little piece that I had up here at the top. Go ahead and remove that. Next, I'm going to actually peel the decal off of the backing paper. So as you can see, like this, I'm just peeling it or kind of rolling it off there. And I'm going to go back here close to this hinge. Now, I have a little tool here. You can use scissors, you can use a razor blade, whatever you need to. This just makes this easier for me. I'm going to go ahead and here. I slice that and cut that backing paper off of the decal. Next, I take my squeegee here and go ahead and pull this kind of tight. Use this squeegee to start laying this against the window. Okay, now that this side is actually stuck to the window, now just remove all the rest of the tape. So we can remove this hinge now. Go ahead and remove the other pieces. Now that we have the other tape removed, so just fold this back. You can peel off the remaining paper. And then just do pretty much the same thing. Just use your squeegee. Go ahead and start smoothing it down to the window. I like to do it pretty lightly. Once you're at this point, all you have to do is go through, make sure you get any air bubbles out or work the rest of them out just like this. Just go through and smooth the rest of it. Just like that, we have the decal on there, but just make sure that if you're using a squeegee, use something that doesn't have like a sharp edge. We have these little things that go over our squeegees that are soft. That way you don't scratch your vinyl at all. So, yep, that's pretty much it.